Hi guys, welcome back to Brittany, Olivia, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing slash review on Etched on wood. You guys, basically what they do is you have like your name or name of your business or whatnot, and they'll carve it out of wood. You can have a different certain color, anything like that. Basically it's like customized wall decor that's made out of wood, etched on wood, you guys. Okay, the box was nothing fancy. I did already open it just to make sure the name and everything was spelled correctly. We don't want to open it all late and then it's too late to send it back, but everything was correct and I put it back in the box. So let me show you guys what I got. So you guys, this is what it came in. As you can see, and like this was just taped closed like that, you guys, just taped closed. So well, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw that I initially freaked out. I was like, this better not be cracked or scratched up. I was like, I'm thinking it's gonna have some styrofoam padding, you know, because it's being shipped, you know. But you guys, it was perfectly fine. So I was basically freaking out for no reason. Okay, it was perfectly fine. They had it tied up on the inside of the box. It's no longer tied up. So let me show you how it was tied up, you guys, since this is supposed to be a slash unboxing. They had it tied like this. So these right here were tied around part of the name. So you know how you buy a Barbie doll or something and they're like tied in with the ties? That's how it was tied, you guys. So it was secure. It was secure enough. And so let me show you my nameplate. You guys, they had multiple different customizations that you can choose. You can choose all type of nameplates. I think I got the double name. So this is what I got, you guys. I got the double name. But again, they do have a lot of different customizations, and you can also see on their website how it's gonna look. You do have to play around to see what the name is actually gonna look like, but if you can't find it, just go to the section where it's like FAQs, where they answer the questions, and you'll see it down there, because that's how I found it. And this is what I got, you guys. I think it is so cute. This is a Z that can look a little confusing to some people, but this is a Z. It says Zion Lael. That's what it says. I got the double name, and I keep calling it a double name plate. I don't even know if that's what they call it, the plate part, but I think it is double name. But that's what I got. Then I got it painted just a plain white. Also, you guys, this is 24 inches. I was gonna go for 36, but I'm glad I didn't, because the bed that I got is a mini crib, and this will go perfect over. This is 24 inches. They did a very, very good job on it. So when I put this on the wall, I'm gonna show you guys when I actually have it up on the wall. And we'll see. I think it looks gonna look pretty good. I'm excited. Once again, if you're skeptical about buying from them, look at the reviews. Make sure you look at the reviews. There's a lot of them. That's what I did. And also the price. So you guys, it did take about a month for it to get here. And with me, shipping is everything. It took a while for it to get here, but they were still actually making it. Once they actually shipped it off, it got here, and it just like that. Because I did email them like in the middle, and they was like, well, it's still in production, but because of the virus and everything, you know, they're moving a little bit slower because of the virus. But that's fine. It did take about a month. It got here before, you know, everything, so that's good, before I actually need it. But I'm so excited. It's so cute. But when I did email them, they were very professional, customer service awesome. They replied back really fast. They replied back professionally, and that was like good. So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And hit that notification bell. Also, in conclusion, you guys, they have many different nameplates. Nameplates is what we're gonna call them. They have many different styles, let's say that. And you can see how it's gonna look before you buy it. Look at the reviews to make sure it's something you want. It's not just for a name. You can use it for maybe your business, baby shower, husband and wife. You can customize it to what you like. They're professional. Do keep in mind, because of the virus, it may move a little bit slower, but you never know. I think if you need it right away, you can let them know, but give it a try, you guys. So you guys, go and get it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you comment them below, you guys.